Hi guys, today I'm going to be planting some indeterminate tomatoes. I have blood meal, bone meal, azomite, post hole digger, and I have my tomatoes here. I have one 5-foot tomato cage. It's round. What I do is I use one tomato cage for 6 plants, 6 tomato plants. I'll have 3 on one side and 3 on the other. This has worked for me in the past. It's not going to work for everyone in every climate, depending on your soil type and everything, but the way I do it, I plant the tomatoes a few inches away from the cage, and as they get bigger, I will tie them to the sides of the cage. So I don't put one in the middle. In the middle of the cage, I might do basil or something like that, but I don't put my tomato in the middle of the cage. I put the cage in the middle of the tomatoes. Alright, here we go. I like to plant my tomatoes really deep. These I have grown from seed, so they're not quite as tall as the ones that you can find in the store. Normally I go deeper than this, but my tomatoes didn't get very tall, so that's going to be about right. These stems, I'm just going to snip off. All these little hairs are going to turn into roots when I bury it. I'll put a little blood meal right in the hole. Some bone meal right in the hole. Azomite. This stuff is super fine. You can sprinkle just a little bit. What I do is put it right on the roots. I do it over the hole, that way any excess that falls off goes right in the hole. And then set the tomato in there. Use the same soil that you pulled out. This is a new variety of tomato for me. I've never grown this before. It is an orange accordion. They look really cool. I'm hoping that they'll do well here. I have never tried it before. But just get that in really well. Stick your label on. And that's all there is to it. Okay, here it is. Planted out 6 tomatoes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 orange accordions and 2 Jersey Devils. All 6 will be supported by 1 tomato cage. I'm going to take a break now, but later I have all this area to do. And it'll be all tomatoes.